Hello everyone, we are happy to present new and enhanced Canvas module. Canvas module is an addition to OnPin Shop exclusive specialized designer studios to offer personalized experience and multi-print product segments. OnPin Shop offers integrated web to print and print order management solution with 5 specialized designer studios like Canvas module, photo print module, commercial, wide format, promotional studio, photo book studio, and photo calendar and diary studio. Each of these designer studios are developed to offer high-end and personalized experience to end clients while designing specific products in your online storefront. Canvas module is specially designed module to help print service providers to expand into new print product segment of canvas, wall art, and posters. So let me take you through customer journey on our demo storefront for Canvas module. Canvas module is developed after detailed research and development, understanding the fastest growing photo print market. It is very intuitive, and in 3 simple steps, your end client can order canvas within minutes. First of all, they can select the canvas like single, split image, or canvas with multiple images. They can upload the pictures, select options, and order. So here is the first example of single image canvas, wall art, or poster. You can create fixed size or a custom size canvas and pricing based on measurement like inches, centimeter, or feet. So client can select the desired size and select their personal picture. They can upload the picture from PC, laptop, or mobile. And also it is ready with the social media and cloud API. So they can also use their personal images from Facebook, Instagram, Google Drive, or a Dropbox. The biggest requirement in Canvas is to offer super easy and high-end experience to your clients and show them real-time look and feel for the canvas. So here you can present them Canvas special effects. So first customer can select the thickness they want to apply in their canvas. And they can also see the live preview changing on the left-hand side. They can apply the different edge design like folded, mirrored, or in color. Even if I change the edge design, it is also changing the preview like showing mirror on the edges. The image effect, they can change it to black and white or a sepia or keep it to original. And they can also apply the specific frame in the canvas. Here you can provide them solid color frames like black or white or any other color frames you guys are offering. And you can also apply and offer the frames like premium, like wood, dark wood, light wood, golden, or silver. And the biggest advantage here, customers are able to see the live preview on the left-hand side. Now, with this spatial image simulator, they're also able to see their finished canvas and how it would look in their home. They can preview the canvas in the bedroom, in their dining room, in their living room. So they would get a personalized high-end experience while ordering canvas in your storefront. Similarly, you can offer multiple image canvas where clients are able to upload multiple images. First of all, here you can configure a variety of canvas panels into various sizes, shapes, and design. An end client can select the one they prefer and adjust each of the image. So here I can also select the different image layout and then upload my personal images. After applying all my images, I also have all the canvas effects which I can apply, and also an image simulator to see how this finished canvas would look like at my home. The third type of canvas you can offer is a split canvas. In split canvas, the one canvas image is getting split into multiple canvases. Here also you can create variety of canvas layouts and panels, and end client can see that image is getting splitted into the multiple canvas panels. And they can order all these different canvases easily in your online storefront. So with Canvas module, you can quickly offer canvas, wall art, and poster products without need of programmers or IT skills. And it is easiest to configure from the backend and quickly offer in your OnPin Shop storefront. Hope you like the new Canvas module. You can visit onpinshop.com or contact us for personalized demo.